and I'm working like skiing and snowboard instructor in this ski school. Let's see what is the first day in the snowboarding, what is the basics. We can check it. If you stand up,
Yeah.
if you stand up and if your boys slide at the side, you are not at 90 degrees. Ah, maybe now you are at 90 degrees, right? Now, let's slide down a little bit, just in this direction. Down and stop. Stop. Okay, okay. Move the ankle, move the foot. We are making this exercise for the foot. The foot will be very important during your snowboarding. I help you a little bit more now because this is the first time. A little bit. Remember?
Yeah.
Where do you want to go?
That way. That way.
Yeah. I'm turning, but I'm afraid that I'm a little bit turning. Yeah, so it's better. I don't turn with the short. I don't turn.
Yeah. Stay. Right behind
So thank you for watching. If you have any question, don't hesitate to contact my colleagues.